Operating since 1956, the San Jose-Santa Clara Regional Wastewater Facility, or RWF, is the largest advanced wastewater treatment facility on the West Coast. Its Capital Improvement Program, or CIP, is one of the largest public works programs in San Jose's history. Investing $2.1 billion over a 30-year span, the CIP is modernizing the wastewater facility's infrastructure and technology. Since 2014, the CIP has completed 26 projects, including the Digester and Thickener Facilities upgrade. Improvements to 4 massive digester tanks enhance gas production and energy self-sufficiency, operational safety, and odor mitigation. The new award-winning Cogeneration Facility installed 4 new generators that run on biogas produced by the digesters, recover all heat produced, and improve the overall resiliency and efficiency of the wastewater facility, saving ratepayers money. Replacing the aging Headworks 1 with the new Headworks 3 will enhance and protect the facility's downstream processes by removing debris and grit from raw wastewater entering the facility. CIP and wastewater operations and maintenance staff are an integrated team working to rebuild RWF infrastructure and ensure uninterrupted wastewater treatment while the facility is undergoing major construction, enabling it to continue to protect public health, the environment, and the economy of the South Bay. Together, they protect the health of our community and the environment.